The guy says dev skipping on testing or perform unit testing. That yeah, yeah. You're right about that. You're right about that. But at the same time, like I think that with I think that's like you're right, but I think that's like a cheap form of job security. Like I mean, I'll take it, right? But I just to me, my ultimate desire is to like build amazing software. I don't like I hate when we want to deploy a particular day and then we can't do it because we found a bug at the last minute. I mean, I'm happy we found the bug altogether, but I just like to get to market. Like for me, the ultimate victory is getting to market, right? Um, and I think with that victory in the way that you work and stuff like that, it is like that is where the real job security lies, where because that value that you bring, um, and it's not through like devs not doing their full job and stuff like that. Uh, that they can really see your true value that you bring to the team, to the organization, because you are making sure things are running smooth. You're putting processes in place and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, you're definitely right. You know, you're definitely right. But I just like to get that security from a different fashion. You know, and I think like I think that the more seasoned that you become in the field, the more seasoned that you become in the field, the you're gonna start to evolve your thinking on like you don't get excited when you find out like, oh damn, I found a bug. Now we have to address it and all that type of stuff, right? So and I think as well too, the more seasoned the developers that you work with become, the different like they start to approach things differently and they have a different perspective and stuff like that. Because I'll say the senior developers that I've worked with are very different than some of the more junior developers that I used to work with. So,
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.